how we can connect Mailchimp with WordPress website. So as you can see, this is my WordPress website, and I'm going to create one simple contact form. It's like a email subscribe or newsletter subscribe. Okay, simple email field like this. And whenever someone put their email, so we can collect our user emails in our Mailchimp account. Okay, so let me show you a step by step everything here. So first of all, let's create a Mailchimp account, and it's totally free of cost, up to 500 contacts. Okay. Then click on sign up and use that free account. And I'm going to use here the Gmail. So once you sign up, you can see the creating your account. Okay, you need to just fill some basic information here and click on next, and you can escape other things. Okay, so let me just escape some things and your account is created. Okay, and I'm going to use here the continue with the free plan. You can see the preparing your account. Now what we have to do here, I'm going to go to my website. Okay, he's preparing my account, and let's go to our website. This is our WordPress website. Here we need to install one simple plugin. Okay, click on the plugins, click on add plugin. Plugin name is Mailchimp, and you need to install MC4WP, this plugin. Okay, just install now. This plugin have like 1 million plus active installation, and just click on activate. Now in the left side you will see here the option of Mailchimp, this one MC4WP, and here we need to connect our Mailchimp account. Now how we can do this? So simply click on get your API key here. Just click on this because we already have logged in into this. Okay, so just click on this. When you click on this, that will redirect you to the API settings. Simply just scroll down and click on create a key. Simply API key name is TCB or something, or just generate key. And you have that key, copy to clipboard, go here and just paste that key and just save changes. Now see, it's connected, right? Now what we have to do here, simply in the left side you will see the form. Click on this, and I'm going to just create one simple form, sign up form, and click on add new form. And here you can see this is the email address and sign up. You can add more information like birthday, first name, last name, street, city, lot of things, right? And I'm going to just make it as it is. I'm not going to add anything, and just click on save changes. Now in the scroll down you can see the shortcode. Copy this. Now open the pages, click on pages, this form. Okay, you just need to put the shortcode. So I'm going to just put this in the contact form. So I'm going to use here the Elementor, or you can use any builder. Okay, we just need to put the shortcode. Okay, so I'm going to put it here, Flexbox, and I'm going to just search here shortcode like this and put my shortcode like this and apply this and publish this. It's done. Okay, now how we can use it, how people can use it. Okay, so let me just view this contact form in incognito window. Okay, and when you go to the here new registration, okay, this is your Mailchimp. I'll do it later, and click on the audience here first. Okay, and in the audience you will see contacts, and you can see the loading contacts. You can see we have only one contact. This is our own contact. Okay, now whenever someone subscribes, you can collect their contact here. Okay, go to our website and someone put their email address here. Okay, this is my email address, and let's click on sign up. So once they click on sign up button, so they will receive simple messages like thank you for sign up, and please check your email inbox to confirm. Okay, so open the email inbox. So when they subscribe, so they will receive some confirmation like this. Please confirm the subscription. Okay, so let me just click on the yes, subscribe me to the list. And once I confirm, I need to go to the my I'm not robot and subscribe. Once I subscribe this, go to the Mailchimp, and we can see whenever we refresh it, we will see our users list here. See, this one is. So like this, we can collect our users list in the Mailchimp. So we can send the emails, we can send some promotion, we can do a lot of promotion with this list. So if you have any doubt, you can ask me in comment. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a nice day. Be safe. Bye bye.